Alright guys, welcome to this first video in the FL Studio 20 course. So in this video I just want to let you know that FL Studio has been doing some different changes between the versions. So version 11 or 12 for instance, they differ between them. So even though you're very familiar with, let's say you've been creating music with FL Studio version 11, and now you're taking this course for version 20, I will still think that this course is good for you. So even though you've been using FL Studio a long time, but not this version 20, I still think you should take this course. I'm gonna go through all the new stuff as well as a brief introduction to FL Studio. So if you've never been using FL Studio, or let's say that this is the first time you're producing music at all, I think this course will fit you as well. This course is suited for all the people that has never been creating music with FL Studio. But as I said, I still think that you should take this course if you have been using the previous versions of FL Studio prior to version 20. And as you can see, my version of FL Studio may look a bit different than yours. You can see here at close, minimize, and maximize buttons here, and this is because I use FL Studio on Mac, but they are exactly the same on Windows operating systems as well as Mac operating systems. So if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Mac OS, for instance, it will be exactly the same, and it looks the same as well. So let's see you in the next lecture, where we're going to cover the basics of FL Studio. Let's see you there.